you would have had to create a scenario where you had a lab leaker go directly with no other contact, travel 20 miles to a low traffic area, which is the Huanan seafood market, and then you would have had to have that virus leaker spit and cough on raccoon dogs, weasels, and people in that area, and then you'd have to spit and cough onto the animal cages. And then 1 week apart, a separate lineage, a separate person would have had to, which was trained, monitored. They would have had to have an equipment failure. They would have had to have a high viral load, but yet develop no symptoms and no antibodies. And then they would have not had to have seek any type of medical care. Again, traveling 20 miles directly, no contact with any other human, going again, and then spitting and coughing on weasels and raccoon dogs and animal cages. That would have had to happen two separate times, 1 week apart, or the natural origin is just the Huanan seafood market, and you have weasels and raccoon dogs with separate lineages 1 week apart, just buying or walking by and infecting humans. Like, what do you think is the more probable of the two scenarios?
Well, I think there's another scenario that
Can you just answer that?
that
What was the more probable scenario in each of
no,
those?
the more well, another probable scenario is that they would take vials. Someone took vials or spray guns and sprayed it around on purpose. I mean, that's another
2 weeks,
possibility,
two
and
separate strains
that's
one
much
week
more
apart.
possible
That no
than
that
two.
no. That's exactly what we're talking about. No, you're wrong, because a vial
Okay.
and stuff isn't going to have the capability in order to spread it that much. You would have had to have the person infected with the antibody with the virus. It wouldn't have. There wasn't. It's just someone with
You
the
mean there
spray
wasn't
bottle.
a sufficient quantity of viral material
Exactly.
in a small vial? Oh,
Exactly.
okay. Well, maybe they use big spray guns then. I mean, that's a possibility.
Was there someone with big spray guns going around the Huanan seafood market during that time? I mean, you don't think that they would
I
have
have no
noticed
idea.
that? I mean, come on, dude. What are you asking? You're just asking questions enough. Your brain's, open enough that your brain's falling out here. What's going on?